Welcome to the 7 Stars Tutorials. Tutorial: How to register and purchase a package. To register, you need to receive an invitation link from an associate. 1. After receiving the link, click on it to be redirected to the registration page. 2. Check your sponsor's name and click OK. 3. Fill in the following fields: username, country, your name, your email, your phone number. 4. Create a password and confirm it. Click on I accept the terms of use and then click Submit. How to purchase a package. 1. Click on Buy a package in the top right corner. 2. Select the desired package and your deposit order will be created. If your package is activated by someone else, such as your sponsor, it is important to send them the order number, which is located in the top left corner. If you are making the payment yourself, follow these steps. 1. Click on Generate Payment. 2. Click on Generate USDT Polygon Wallet. 3. Copy the wallet address and make the payment through your crypto exchange. Once the payment is confirmed, your package will be activated. See you in the next 7 Stars donation tutorials.